Are you interested in learning how to transform your boring out-of-the-box search results into an exciting UI and learn all the complex topics in an easy-to-learn format? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to Branding and Customization in SharePoint 2016, your complete guide to branding your SharePoint search and making beautiful, compelling search result pages. Hi, I'm Aftab Sayed and I'm a professional SharePoint developer with years of experience using SharePoint technologies and the exciting and powerful SharePoint search. I know what it feels like using search for the very first time. Believe me, I've been there. If working with SharePoint search wasn't hard enough, imagine having to customize and brand it for the very first time. It can get quite tricky, especially when there's very little information available or very few videos available on this very topic, and you're trying to figure out how everything's all put together. If you want to get yourself up to speed with SharePoint custom search, this course is for you. I think learning is more fun when you're actually doing something. Therefore, I have included the download file so that you can follow along with me in this course. By the end of this course, you'll be able to transform the boring out-of-the-box SharePoint search from this to this. You will have a deep understanding of search, customization, and branding. You'll be able to create your own custom search page layout, link a CSS file to your search to add flavors to your page, use crawl properties in search results and see how important it is, clean up the search results and only show what you need on your page, use JavaScript, yes, the client-side powerful JavaScript that would let you add logic to your pages. You'll be able to work with Query Suggestions, which is a powerful feature from SharePoint Search. And last but not least, you'll be able to connect to an external search engine and display the result right within your custom search results. And I'm not going to be teaching you, okay, click here, click there. I'll be walking you through, I'll be explaining you the process as to why I'm doing what I'm doing. I invite you to join me in this course with our 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no reason to hesitate. Click on the Enroll Now button, try new things, learn few things. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and I will see you in lesson 1.